In this tutorial, you'll learn how to master professional glitch transitions, simplified for easy execution. First, align the two videos on the timeline to mark the glitch transition point. Right-click and select New Adjustment Layer. Any effect applied to this layer will affect all layers beneath it. Position the playhead exactly between the two clips. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus D to split the layer. Press Page Up on your keyboard to move back one frame and split again. Repeat this 3 times over the first video. Then, move to the second video and press Page Down to move forward one frame at a time, splitting the layer 3 times as previously done. Now, we need to apply different effects to each frame. For the first frame, select the displacement map. Adjust these 2 parameters in the effect controls. Don't worry if the video looks distorted or bad. The viewer won't notice it since it only lasts for a fraction of a second. Next, search for the invert effect and drag it onto the following frame. You can choose any preset or setting you find suitable. Finally, for the third frame, search for radial fast blur. Drag it onto the clip and adjust the values in the effect controls panel as you see fit. Moving to the second video, select the 4th frame and apply the radial fast blur effect again. But this time, adjust the settings differently from the previous one. Next, on the 5th frame, choose the invert effect and apply new adjustments. Finally, on the 6th and last frame, select the tint effect. In the effect controls, go to Map White 2 and pick a color. I'll choose orange. Now, when you play back the video, you will see the full glitch transition result. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.